White here. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to restore a course. It's that time of year where we'll get ready for the new semester. So the first thing you need to do is find your cogwheel and do this and restore. And then you choose a file. You can either do through the Finder, choose a file finder, or you can just drag and drop. Please make sure you have the one without the student's data. Okay. Just take and you drag and drop. You can generally know it's without student data because it's very small. You can see here it's only 9.2. Whereas if I were to do it with student data, it has 594. So a good way to know that you have not the student data, and it will be quick. Okay, so now you want to click Restore. Then it will ask you to check things. Okay, yeah. Okay, very important. Make sure that there's no student data. Okay, include enrolled users. Okay. Again, now you decide, is this a new course? Are you going to add it to the course you're in if you're in a course, or already an existing course? In my case, it's a new course, so I just select new course. And again, make sure include enrollment methods, no. And then it will just ask you to go, do you want to include all these things? Yes, no, I use default. Next, you can decide what sections you want. So if you're going, oh, I don't need this unit, you can delete it. Or, oh, I just don't need these things. Okay, you can choose what you don't want, or just default. I'm just going to use the default. And then next. And one more time, it's giving you a chance to review everything. And click Restore. And then it will take a little time to go through that. But it shouldn't be too long, depending on your amount of data you have included in there. But it was a fairly small. Sorry, my throat. Okay. And it's almost done. And then you can click Continue. And now you have everything there. Now I just need to go in and change some due dates and things like that. But whatever it may be, okay, and things are hidden, you just have to set the dates. But the nice thing is you know that you look here and there's nobody enrolled, so you're good to go. And then you can do your enrollments for the new semester, and that is the easiest way to restore a course. Hope this was helpful. Happy Moodling.